Hello friends, my name is Sanket Upadhyay and now you are watching the Swachhand IAS Academy. So today's topic is not big, but in a strategic, we can say it in a strategic point of view, it is a large and important topic. Yesterday, our president, Miss Draupadi Murmu, said that Indian Ocean it is more important to trade of the world. Around 18% of world trade it happening through the Arabian Sea. It is used through the Red Sea, Gulf of Aden, and Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. After they can go in the Strait of Malacca. And China, most of the trade doing through the our oceans. So our strengthens in the ocean. It's more important. India is now growing day by day, and also we are strengthening, strengthening in the ocean. And Draupadi Murmu said because of China is poking noise in the Arabian Sea, uh, they are we can we add a one more things. South China Sea. South China Sea, China claiming that it is his, but Indonesia and other nearest country of the South China Sea, they are also claiming that its sea is mine. It's on the basis of sea. It is more important to the our security because if you are strength in sea, then you secure our nation. And another one things, if you are strengthened in ocean, then you can trade easily without more losses fuel, without more losses money, because of ships are easily run or easily going to another country through the sea. It is another point of view because of nowadays all country is want to improvement in the sea, in the ocean. So our president Miss Draupadi Murmu, it says that we are we are strengthening, should be strengthened in the oceans. So it is importance, we can say, like trade, like security and peace, because of if we are secure, then we can enjoy peace of our new of our minerals. We can enjoy our minerals and also some natural things, because of India is good habitat and good uh, good we can say enjoying life to the India. They have more nature's beauty. So that is the things which is said Draupadi Murmu, and we draw a map of our nation, of our country, and we say a boundary of our ocean, which in the last boundary of our nations consider, so which is our draw here. This is India, you can say easily this side Pakistan and this side Afghanistan. So around 12 nautical mile. Here is Sri Lanka. This is Bangladesh, Pakistan. 12 nautical mile sea border is considered as a Indian Sea, and not only Indian Sea but also nearest sea of any countries as a consider as a that country serve there, like in Sri Lanka is here, and around the Sri Lanka's land that is exist sea on the around the Sri Lanka, which is came under the 12 nautical mile. It's considered as a Sri Lankan Ocean or Sri Lankan Sea. Here he any find any things and find they can find minerals here. That is the came under the own country, and which is exist there. And further we are talking about the relevance of this topic. So this topic is related with our geography. Some terms I am using there. So geography came under the GS paper 1, and also this is important for our security. If we strengthen ocean, then we can secure our nation. So it is important for our GS paper 2, and also important for our GS, internal security came under the GS paper 3, and also important for our GS paper 3 because of internal relation also coming here. GS paper 2. So these are the things which is discussed here. So that's for today. Thank you.